Let's fix keyboard or mouse not working in your Windows 10. Hello everyone, and let's get started. If your keyboard or mouse is not working in Windows 10 after a recent update or upgrade, here are a few things you could try. Sometimes simply restarting the computer or disconnecting and reconnecting the mouse and keyboard can help. But if not, here are some additional troubleshootings. The first one is use the keyboard and mouse with a different computer. This way you can verify if the issue is with the keyboard and mouse or the computer itself. The next one is to check the Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connection. For that, you have to tap in on the search bar and search for Bluetooth. If the Bluetooth is not working, it is relevant that your keyboard and mouse is not going to work as well. Step 3 is to check the cable of cabled keyboard or mouse. For that, you can connect it to another computer or laptop, or you can check in the device itself. Similarly, the fourth step is to perform a clean boot. For this, you can restart the device with a clean boot this time and again connect the keyboard and mouse. Similarly, another step is to check the device driver. For that, on the search bar, search for Device Manager, and once that is open, search for the keyboard and mouse. Now you have to right-click on it and then click on Update Driver, and make sure that it is updated to the recent one. You can do the same for the mouse as well. Once this is done, the other step that you can follow is run the keyboard troubleshooter. For that, tap on the search bar and search for troubleshooting settings. Here, you have to select on the additional troubleshooters. From there, you have to search for keyboard troubleshoot. Tap on it and then click on the run button. This way, you can detect any of the problem that is existing and solve it as well. Do try all of this, and once that is done, you can restart your device. After that, if you check the keyboard and mouse, it should probably be working. So that's all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.